Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to back up Google Messages. Now, whether you're upgrading to a new Android phone or simply want to keep your conversation safe, backing up your Google Messages is one of the smartest things that you can do. Now, Google Messages doesn't have a built-in backup button inside the app. Instead, your SMS, MMS, and supported RCS conversations are backed up through Android's backup Google feature. And here's exactly how it's done. First off, you have to connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Ensure that your battery is sufficiently charged or plug your phone into a charger. This is because a stable internet connection helps the backup complete faster and prevents interruptions. Now unlock your Android phone and head over to the settings window. So open settings right in your Android phone, and from settings, scroll down and click on Google. Now, once you tap Google, the next thing you're going to do is to click on all services. Now, depending on your Android version or your phone manufacturer, the menu layouts may vary slightly, but the backup option is found under your Google settings. Now, under backup and restore, which you're going to find here, just go ahead and tap backup and you'll see your Google backup settings. This is where Android manages backups for your device, including your text messages. So if backup isn't already enabled, go ahead and turn on backup by Google or backup by Google 1. So if prompted, choose the Google account you want to use for the backup. That's once you click on Google Now. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If backup is already turned on, you can move on to the next step. Now stay on the backup page, right? Once everything is backed up, just scroll down to the backup details. Then confirm that SMS and MMS messages are included in the backup. If you use Google Messages with RCS chats, those conversations are also backed up when Google Messages backup is enabled. This ensures that your conversations will be available when you restore your backup on another Android device. So once you're done ensuring that everything is okay, tap backup now. Wait while Android uploads your device data to your Google account. Keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi until the backup finishes. The time required depends on how much data is being backed up. Now, after the backup finishes, just return to the backup screen here. Look for the latest. Okay, so this is it. So look for the latest backup date and time. Confirm that the backup was completed successfully and your Google Messages are now safely included in your Android backup. Remember, when you click on backup, ensure that SMS text messages is toggled on and every other relevant data. And if this backup on other device is not turned on, ensure that it is turned on. All right. So that is pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.